Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to another episode of Rainbow Man Garage. Today, we are going to show you how to change your oil without removing the drain plug because ours is messed up, which we'll show you here a little bit when we get underneath. But that's what we're going to do today. First, we're going to check the oil, see how much we have in it. That way, we know how much we're taking out. So, as you all can see, we're down, I don't know, about a quart and a half. This thing takes 6 quarts. So right off the bat, we're down to 4.5. So with the filter, we should be pulling out about 4 quarts. So we're gonna lift this thing up a little bit so that way I can slide underneath of it. We got a jack underneath of it. You can't really see it, but it's on the frame or subframe. Make sure it's in park. Make sure the emergency brake is set. We're not really trying to pull it up off the ground because I think I could slide under. So this is our boogered up oil plug, as you can see. That's why we are doing this differently. So here's the filter and our oil after like 15,000 miles or so. Don't mind the chunks of stuff in there. That's probably from the pan that I'm using. But make sure to always get the oil filter seal off with it, because one time we didn't see that we did, and we leaked out 5.5 quarts of oil. Luckily, we did not blow our engine. I'll insert a picture here. So this is what we're going to be using to pull the oil out. We got this, and then we got a couple of old jugs here, so that way we save the environment and are able to recycle our oil. You can do that at almost any auto parts store or anywhere that changes oil. They usually do it for free. Okay, so we managed to put this contraption together. We have an in and an out. I ended up hooking this black hose that they sent with us to the end part, because we're going to stick that down here in the dipstick tube. Just like that.
So, like 6 years later, we're finally at our quarter or four. We're finally at our 4 quart mark.
So here's the contraption that I used to suck out all 4 quarts of oil. Took me 34 minutes. I sped the video up so y'all didn't have to deal with that. Okay, and we're back for our last step, and that is to put oil in the car. And you do it just like any other oil change. You put it in through the top right here. We've got 2 jugs of Supertech 5W20 full synthetic oil. We're not sponsored or anything like that. It's good oil though. Our car calls for 6 quarts with filter. And I swear by this oil. It's pretty cheap and it does a really good job. The last time that I forgot the gasket on the oil filter, I ran all the oil out of it, like all 5.5 quarts, and it didn't kill the engine. I was pretty impressed. And as you can see, our oil was pretty dirty. Alright, so now all we gotta do is start it up, check for leaks, and we'll be good. And as you can see, our oil filter isn't leaking, so we're good to go there.